Axie Infinity value equivalent to $7.44 a coin. The present exchange cost range $7.24 to $97.76 The earlier day close $7.40 302. The change was plus 17%. Reverse rate ICE to Axie Infinity figure for July 2024. Initially cost at $854. Excessive cost $10.60, while low cost $854. The normal for the month $9.40. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $9.91. Change for July 16%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $9.91. Exorbitant cost $9.91, while low cost $7.74. The normal for the month $8.97. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.32. Change for August 16%. Axie Infinity conjecture for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $8.32. Exorbitant cost $10.33, while low cost $8.32. The normal for the month $9.16. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $9.65. Change for September 16%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $9.65. Exorbitant cost $11.89, while low cost $9.65. The normal for the month $10.58. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $11.11. Change for October 1%. Axie Infinity gauge for November 2024. To start with, cost at $11.11. Exorbitant cost $13.79, while low cost $11.11. The normal for the month $12.23. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $12.89. Change for November 16%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for December 2024. To start with, cost at $12.89. Exorbitant cost $13.86, while low cost $12.04. The normal for the month $12.94. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.95. Change for December's on 5%. Axie Infinity figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $12.95. Excessive cost $14.41, while low cost $12.53. The normal for the month $13.34. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $13.47. Change for January 4%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place, cost at $13.47. Exorbitant cost $14.54, while low cost $12.64. The normal for the month $13.56. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.59. Change for February 9%. Axie Infinity conjecture for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at $13.59. Excessive cost $15.2, while low cost $13.6. The normal for the month $13.93. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $14.4. Change for spring 3%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for April 2025. To start with, cost at $14.4. Exorbitant cost $15.53, while low cost $13.49. The normal for the month $14.39. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $14.51. Change for April 3%. Axie Infinity figure for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $14.51. Exorbitant cost $15.75, while low cost $13.69. The normal for the month $14.67. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $14.72. Change for May 4%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at $14.72. Excessive cost $16.23, while low cost $14.11. The normal for the month $15.6. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end $15.17. Change for June 1%. Axie Infinity figure for July 2025. Before all else, cost at $15.17. Excessive cost $16.75, while low cost $14.55. The normal for the month $15.53. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.65. Change for July 2%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset, cost at $15.65. Excessive cost $19.42, while low cost $15.65. The normal for the month $17.22. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $18.15. Change for August 16%. Axie Infinity gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $18.15. Exorbitant cost $18.15, while low cost $14.55. The normal for the month $16.62. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $15.64. Change for September 13.8%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at $15.64. Excessive cost $15.64, while low cost $12.22. The normal for the month $14.16. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $13.14. Change for October 16%. Axie Infinity figure for November 2025. Before all else, cost at $13.14. Excessive cost $13.14, while low cost $10.27. The normal for the month $11.90. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $11.04. Change for November 16%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $11.04. Exorbitant cost $11.04, while low cost $9.12. The normal for the month $10.25. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end $9.81. Change for December 11.1%. Axie Infinity figure for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $9.81. Excessive cost $9.81, while low cost $7.66. The normal for the month $8.88. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $8.24. Change for January 16%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at $8.24. Exorbitant cost $10.23, while low cost $8.24. The normal for the month $9.07. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $9.56. Change for February 16%. Axie Infinity conjecture for walk 2026. At the outset, cost at $9.56. Excessive cost $11.87, while low cost $9.56. The normal for the month $10.52. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $11.09. Change for spring 16%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $11.09. Excessive cost $13.76, while low cost $11.09. The normal for the month $12.20. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $12.86. Change for April 16%. Axie Infinity gauge for May 2026. To start with, cost at $12.86. Excessive cost $15.96, while low cost $12.86. The normal for the month $14.15. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end $14.92. Change for